Alrighty, so 911 Motorsports, I bought these mounts right here. I want to put it in the back of the Jeep. Normally I keep my jack back here, the Badlands jack, but it's just rolling around, and every time I get to a red light or a stop sign, it's hitting the front of the bed or coming back and hitting the tailgate. I've had these for a couple months now, so finally getting to it. Been doing everything on the Bronco, so tonight we get to actually do something with mine. So anyway, I'm gonna knock a couple pilot holes in real quick, put some self-tapping screws in. I've already checked underneath, make sure there's nothing underneath it that I'm gonna hit, and go from there. Does it look like that bad of an install? I don't know if this is exactly the right tool, but it's gonna be my tool tonight. I need to bend these tabs up, and okay, so that one's been in too much. Oh. So that'll keep it from shifting side to side there. If I believe I'm correct, I'm not 100% sure. These right here will slide underneath it, or supposed to slide underneath it like so, and they'll just lay right there. I believe that's the anticipation behind this, is for them to go like so. I just don't know how that's going to work out. I'll have to do some digging into that. But I do know that I need to take a strap, and you mount a strap right there, and the strap comes all the way around to the front. It's got a notch up here, and that'll keep it from being able to jump out, so you just run it straight across right here. If that doesn't work out the way I want it to, I have some quick fist that I thought about adding in on the side, and I'll be able to just attach the handle to the side of the truck right here and get it up out of the way. But we'll see. Don't know yet. That may work. But it is now installed, and I want to say it's 911 Motorsports. They made these mounts, and they're aluminum. Seems like it'll work, but feels pretty good. Anyway, that's that. If you have one of these big heavy jacks, you know what it is like for this thing to be rolling around. But it works. It's great. And I used it actually this past weekend on the way home. Helped out a little small car and helped change tire out. Done great.